Hey everybody, Michael Hoover, and I'm here today for your What Is That segment. What is this door right here? Well, as you can see behind, this is going to be our 25-inch griddle-grill combo. One thing I do like to show all the salespeople is that this is not fully extended. It did lock. The next thing we're going to do is lift it up and pull it out. That's going to give it a much bigger separation from the sidewall. But as you can see, the one side is going to be your griddle and the other side will be your grill. What I love about this and what retail customers love about this is we understand how valuable space is, especially in that basement compartment. So having it here inside of its own little door, cubby hole, it gets tucked away and you're ready to go. Again, that's your 25-inch griddle grill combo.